Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is boom. It's a C1 level noun, and it means a rapid growth or increase. So, what exactly does boom mean? Well, it signifies a sudden and significant surge, expansion, or flourishing, often in economic activity, population, or even popularity. It's like things are really taking off in a big way. Now, let's explore how we can use boom in everyday language. Imagine a town experiencing a population boom due to new industries moving in. Or perhaps a company is having a sales boom after launching a successful product. It paints a picture of rapid and positive change. Let's move on to some synonyms for boom. A very close synonym is upsurge. You could say, there was an upsurge in tourism after the new airport opened. Another synonym is proliferation, which suggests a rapid increase in numbers. For example, the proliferation of online businesses has transformed the retail landscape. We can also use the word expansion. The city experienced a rapid expansion during the Industrial Revolution. Consider the word flourishing. The art scene is flourishing in the newly revitalized district. A final synonym is spurt, suggesting a sudden burst of growth. The company saw a spurt of innovation after the new CEO arrived. Now, let's switch gears and explore some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning of boom. One antonym is recession, which indicates a period of economic decline. For instance, the country fell into a recession after the financial crisis. Another is slump, suggesting a sudden drop or decrease. We can say there was a slump in sales during the winter months. We can also use the term decline. The city witnessed a decline in population as people moved to the suburbs. Consider the word contraction, which suggests a shrinking or reduction. The economy experienced a contraction due to rising interest rates. Another useful antonym is stagnation, representing a lack of growth or progress. The industry suffered from stagnation due to a lack of innovation. Let's see how we can use boom in everyday conversations. You might say the real estate market is experiencing a boom right now, making it a great time to sell. Or, the tech industry is in a boom, creating many new job opportunities. Consider this. The baby boom generation is now entering retirement. You could also say, the city is preparing for a tourism boom during the summer festival. Here are some more usage examples of boom in sentences and phrases. The construction industry is currently experiencing a boom. The gold rush led to a significant economic boom in the region. The internet boom transformed the way we communicate and access information. The agricultural sector enjoyed a boom year thanks to favorable weather conditions. The sudden boom in popularity of the new social media app surprised everyone. Phrases that often incorporate boom are phrases such as a population boom, an economic boom, a baby boom, a construction boom, a tech boom, and a sales boom. These phrases all use boom to describe a sudden and significant increase or growth in a specific area. Okay, let's recap. Boom, a C1 level noun, means a rapid growth or increase. We explored synonyms like upsurge, proliferation, expansion, flourishing, and spurt, and antonyms like recession, slump, decline, contraction, and stagnation. We also looked at various examples of how boom is used in daily conversations and common expressions. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. I hope you found this exploration of the word boom insightful and helpful. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover our show and expand their vocabulary too. And before you go, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word boom and share it in the comments section below the video. I'm really excited to see what you come up with.